gotta dig out the trailer. It is somewhere in here. Yeah, well, I guess you could see it all right. We got a lot of snow recently, so Spencer's gonna yank it out now. See how that goes. Left by bubbly. Oh, there.
I need you to guide me as well.
All right. Okay, stop.
Is it sitting above it or below it?
It's way above it.
Shit.
Yeah. Just cranking.
Oh, it's heavy.
This is my rusty pile of truck. She gets the job done.
Oof.
It's fun, huh? Oh. Okay, that looks a lot worse. That's the top of the trailer fender.
Alrighty. That worked. Holy. Alright, I gotta shovel this now. So the trailer's out. It looks kind of whack. But, should mention, we pulled it out so we can throw this on.
Got the world's smallest snowblower putting in work. She runs okay. She needs the odd pull once in a while. It's got a, we just installed a camshaft in it. There's another cam install video on the snowblower. Okay, right now we're just gonna go do test drive, make sure that we got the right wastegate springs and everything works. Make sure the tune's pretty close to where we want it to before we bring it to the dyno.
This unusual dyno prep. If people usually trailer the cars to get dynoed, but we've been trailer and snowblow. So we got Evan, Callum, Arlen, me. I'm taking a break. Some that.
Canadian winter, buddy.
Holy.
Well, that's that.
Another job well done.
Jared's big ass boat. So that's where we need to be. That door. All done.
Alright, so it's the night before dyno day. Just dropping my car off now. Getting ready to plow this all out. Yeah, she's here. All set to go. It's kind of cold now, but it should warm up tomorrow. Should be about 4 degrees. So cars will be good to go. My car is gonna go on first. Just a couple power poles as a baseline, and then Callum's is going on. Getting the full tune. But yeah, we'll go through this car more one day. But for now, yeah, there she is.
No, I'll just open the gate and I was like, thank God. It's on? No. It's on. Okay, we just need to warm it up.
Alright, Spence. What's the horsepower prediction here?
I say this thing feels pretty peppy for a turbo 2, so I say 200 wheel.
down?
Yeah.
I'd be very happy with 200 wheel. I don't think it's gonna do it, but I think that's just kind of funny. Like at this point, this number doesn't mean too much to me.
Yeah, we knew it drifted, so
Exactly. So
cares at this point?
the number's not proving anything.
it's funny to put a number. It's just nice to see.
Exactly. So temps are good, I think.
161. Yeah.
I think we're just about ready for a power pull.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm
we can
scared.
pull those exhaust tubes off and then open the door a little bit.
Sounds good. Alright, so what do we think of that? 216.
That's pretty good for a stock turbo, stock injectors. And we just have like an old Australian Microtech ECU that we threw like a tune onto the road. We were just watching our fuels and keeping everything safe. I think it's around like 8 to 10 psi.
8?
8, yeah.
8 right now,
and
yeah.
it creeps like barely to 10 at the top end. But 216 and 224 torque, that's pretty good.
Not too bad. Alright, one more pull, just to get an average. My car's all done. We got our power number, so she's heading out. And Callum's is coming in. Holy shit. This thing sounds nasty. Oh yeah. All right, give us an update. What's going on here?
Just working on the low end throttle response right now. It was like really boggy before, but now I'm just making sure right now that we're
worked on like a slight amount of drivability. We'll really pinpoint more of that on the road, but it's like a little boggy.
You're ripping.
Yeah.
Buddy, look at the power coming on.
Wasn't even no red line.
My God.
Okay, so the problem we're running into now, we've made 4 dyno pulls. The car made a peak of, what was it, 370?
373.
373, just under 300 foot-pounds of torque. And so we're having some boost creep issues, which that's fine, we can deal with. What I'm noticing here on the graph is that our injector duty cycle has come to basically where I was noticing the car leaning out. We're at a basically 103.8%, 104% injector duty cycle. So what we can do now,
750cc injectors, 255 pump.
yeah, Walbro. So we're gonna probably go back because we don't want to hurt the motor running it lean. So we're gonna run a additional relay to the fuel pump, which we should have done, and then probably look into getting some like 1000cc injectors just to be safe. Like 400s, I mean 750s will be like kind of at the round off point where 750s kind of run out, especially like stock fuel lines and everything like that. So I guess, well, we're gonna have to come back.
Unless you try a pump, it's the only other option.
Yeah.
Try pump, but that's the thing, it's a gamble, right? Because
Might as well get the injectors, the pump,
just to be
do the
safe.
relay, everything, and then come back.
Honestly, a 255 can handle this power, no problem. I don't think we need to upgrade the pump.
Perfect.
So we just need a relay and injectors. We should come back. We're so close to 400, but there's no point to push the car to try and make 400 leaning it out. It's gonna damage it.
Yeah. No.
Well, unfortunately, we weren't able to fully tune it, but I'd say we got about 80% there. We just need another hour of dyno time. Get the car back.
Yeah.
He's not upset.
It's okay. It
He's
still
excited.
rips. Like it's still an extra like 80 wheel from
Yeah.
what I did have. So
Oh yeah, and way more rowdy. So
no big deal.
we'll be back and get some injectors.
We'll be back and better.
Back and better, baby. And hopefully we can crack that solid 400 that Callum's been looking
We
for.
can crack it. We can crack it.
Callum's praying.
Callum's praying. Yeah, he prays every day.
All right, till next time.
Till next time. Ciao.
Like, comment, subscribe.